Number one is to embody your best self. What would I do in this situation? What would my best self do in this situation? And then for number two, I would say go into the gym or exercise. Yeah. Number three, which is also just piggybacking off of exercise, is health. So like diet, you know. And for number four, I would say find a skill, a trade, or a business. Then number five, last one, is to read and gain knowledge. Now, before I go into reading and gaining knowledge, I would like to add to meditate and do yoga.